Hey, this is Marty of Marty's Diesel, and today I want to go over with you guys something I do for these 7.3 high pressure oil lines when I'm not actually replacing them. In this particular case, the customer's lines are in okay shape, and realistically we got to stay within a budget. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of preventative maintenance here. I'm going to take like a nice high quality bit of electrical tape here. I got some Scotch Super 33. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it nice and tight around the high pressure line itself. Okay, so I'm going to try to get it going here. And I'll make one wrap going one way, and then I wrap it coming back the other way. And it doesn't ever look as pretty when I do it on the video compared to when I do it off video. And once I get it down here, I actually just don't stop. Bring it right back in, and then I take the old wire loom. You can get new wire loom if you want, but this is actually this wire loom's in okay shape, and realistically I'm doubling this stuff up. You're gonna see here in 1 second. This is like little technical tip. There's a slit in the wire loom. Make sure that your tape runs outside of that, and then continue on. This is going to do a really good job of holding the wire loom exactly where you want it on this line. So I'll just go ahead and wrap all of this up, and realistically that roll of tape costs about $6 or $8, and so for $3 we got this line set protected as well as possible. Typically I also will clean the ends up or whatever before I go to install it, but now that thing is really going to be protected once it gets installed.